مرحبا مرحبا والسلاف. هون بخير هاتن Kurdish lessons از گله مامۆستەیە وەیە کورمانجی مامۆستەیە وەیە کوردی ئیرۆ today ئەمێ نویسێکێ بخوێنن we will read a text ئەڤ نویس this text gelekî balkêş e gelekî xweş e it's very nice hûnê gelek tiştên nû hîn bibin you will learn many new things so heke hûn amade bin em destê vedin ten 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 yes 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 le ver do you see the screen yes so navê nivîsa me Halloween Cejna Pirebokan Cejna Pirebokan. So first of all, this text is by Nejat Zanyar. He's a Kurdish guy writing text, poems, etc. So من أفنويس لسر Rudaw edit. I found it on Rudaw. So if you want to check the original page, go to Rudaw and write Cejna Pirebokan. You will see it. Okay? So Halloween, you all know what Halloween is, but Cejna Pirebokan. Cejna Pirebokan. Cejn, I am sure you know, we say Cejna Ramazane, Cejna Qurbane. So Cejn is like a holiday feast, okay? But Pirebok is something you don't know. So Pirebok is pa 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 pam. So this is a Pirebok, a witch. Pirebok, witch. Pirebok, Pirebok. Okay? So now, first of all, I will read the text, the first part, and then I will show you some words that are new for you. Okay, and then we will read and translate, and I will try to explain to you. So, سیویەکێ چریا پێشینێ جەژنا هەلۆونێ یانی جەژنا پیرەبۆکانە li rojavayê cîhanê bi awayekî baldar ev roj tê pîrozkirin. Kevneşopiya ji ser demên herî kevin û demên paganîzmê mayî tê domandin. Bi giştî zarok kostûmên tirsnak li xwe dikin. Mal bi mal digerin, şekir û xercaneya didin hev. Hûn dê bibêjin ev li cem me jî hebû lê ya wan ne tenê ev e. Di pîrozbahiyên cejna pîrebokan de kundir di sûretê rûyê mirovên tirsnak de tên qewartin û ronîkirin. Baloyên maskeyî tên lidarxistin. Serdana malên bi perî tê kirin. Cîhana Anglo-Saxon vê rojê wek Halloween, All Hallows Eve, roja qutsiyan bi nav dike. Îcar ya ecêb çawa qutsî bûn? Guneh periyên keç û jinên spehîyên çîrokî û pîrebok di heman mîhricanê de li hev dicivin. û kuntir çi elaqe? Okay, so gelek tişt hene, there are many things ez dixwazim hînî we bikim. I want to teach you. So, very excited. So, first of all, peyvên nû, new vocabularies. So, çiriya pêşîn, which is jotme, meha dehan. So, you can use jotme, meha dehan, or çiriya pêşîn, which is October. Okay? Baldar is the same as balkeş or enteresan, like interesting. Kevneşopi is tradisyon, adet, kelepor. Wait, so kevneşopi. Serdem, çağdem means period, age, time. Okay? Tirsnak, which is betirs of scary, 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 right? Scary. Harcane, harcane is like pocket money. Hawartin is to crave. Ronikirin, to light up. Baloyen maskeyi, masquerade ball. I don't know. So peri is like fairy, you know? And gunah means sin. So far, These are the words I thought you may need them for translating. First sentence. Si u yeke çırıya peşine Cejna Halloween yani Cejna Pîrebokan. So October 21st is the Halloween feast, which is the feast of witches. Lrojavaye cihane ba'awaye ki baldar evrosh te piroskırın. So in this text, you will see too many, how do we call it? I just forget. When you say it is celebrated, it was built, passive, yes. So you will see many passive sentences, which is good for you. So, Lrojavaye cihane, in the western, in the west part of the world, ba'awaye ki baldar, in an interesting way, evrosh te piroskırın, this day is celebrated. Ba'awaye ki baldar. So when you want to say in a papapam way, so ba'awaye ki hoş, ba'awaye ki baldar, ba'awaye ki peace, in a dirty way. So ba'awaye ki papapapam, okay? Te piroskırın, it is celebrated. So this day is celebrated in an interesting way, in an interesting way. Kevneşopia ji serdemin herî kevin û demin paganizmê mayî te domandin. So here, kevneşopia, which is like tradition, tradition, hadat, kalapor. So these are all the same. So the tradition of very old times and demin paganisme, like the paganist time. Mai here is like adjective, remain. So the tradition that remained from very old times and from paganist times, te domandan, is carried on, is continued. So domandan, to continue, to carry on. Okay, te domandan, this is the passive form. So you see, passive form, you conjugate hatten, and then verb is infinitive. Te piroskırın, it is celebrated. Te domandan, it is continued. Okay. So bıgıştı, in general, zarok kostumen tırsnak lëxwe mal bu mal digerin şekir û xercaneyê didin hev. So in general, kids wear scary costumes. Mal bu mal digerin, they go from house to house and they collect şekir û xercane, money and candies. Hun de bibêjin, you will say, ev li cemmeji hebu. So like you readers, you Kurdish readers, you will say, oh, we had this one. Like ev, this thing, like wearing scary costumes, gathering shakir, or mal b'mal garin, like going from houses to house. Ev li cemmeji hebu. So this thing existed with us, next to us. So we had the same thing. Le, but yawan tane na'ava. But there is not only this thing, is not only this, not only wearing costumes and gathering money. So there is more in Halloween. The Pirozbahian Cejna Pirebokan there. So in the celebrations of Cejna Pirebokan, kunder di surete ruye mroven tırsnak de ten qawartin uroni kırın. So here kunder is like subject of this sentence. So kunder, the pumpkins, are carved and lighted up in the shape of a scary person, right? Ruye mroven tırsnak, like face of scary people. The surete ruye mroven tırsnak. Suret, like shape, picture, image. Okay? Baloyen maskeyi ten darkhisten, so masquerade ballows are organized. Sardana malen bepari tekeren. So houses with fairies, so malen bepari, Sardana malen bepari tekeren. So these houses, these fairy houses, are visited during the Halloween. So the Pirojbahi and Cejna Pirebokan there. So here you see we have do that, which is very low. The Pirojbahi and Cejna Pirebokan there. Kunder the surate ruye mroven trsnakte ten qawarten uroni keren. Baloyen maskeyi ten lidarkhisten. So lidarkhisten like organize keren. Sardana malen bepari take keren. So houses with fairies or fairies houses are visited. Sardana tatatant keren is to visit. Okay. So you can say min sardana malbata khokr, min sardana hevala khokr. Okay. Jihana Anglo-Saxon, the Anglo-Saxon word, veroje wak Halloween benavtke. So benavtke like named. So they Anglo-Saxon word names this day as Halloween. Roja Qutsian. So Roja Qutsi means like holy. So the day of holies. Okay. Ijar. So Ijar something like so. Ya Hajib, the interesting thing, Ya Hajib, the weird thing. Chawa Qutsibun. What kind of Qutsibun? What kind of being holy? Gunah sin Perian catch ujinan spehian Cherokee. So like the Perian catch ujinan spehian Cherokee. So Cherokee is the story. Cherokee like from a story. So like girl and Perian catch. How to say this? Perian catch. So fairy girls and beautiful women of stories and Pirebokan and the witches in the same festival, they come together. So you see all these things like Gunah, which means sin, Peri, Pirabok, they are all together in the same festival. And kundercha alaqa. So kundercha alaqa. So this is a very nice expression when you want to say what's got to do with. So kundercha alaqa. And what is got to do with kunder? So okay, I understand peri, maybe witches. Okay, let's say they are holy, but what about kunder? Kundercha alaqa. Okay, so this is a very nice expression when you want to say what's got to do with. What is got to do with papapam? مثلا gulay cha alaqa. What's got to do with gulay? Or zmane Kurdi cha alaqa. What's got to do with Kurdish language? Okay? So this is something very, very, very useful. So this page is the first part of the text. I will read it and you listen to me, okay? But before, avakevachum. Siuyeke chiria peshine, Cejna Halloween, yani Cejna Pirebokan. Lrojavai jihane ba'awai kibaldar evroshte piroskret. Kevneshopia jiserdemin heri kevin. و دمن پاگانیزم مایی تدوماندن. بگشتی زاروک کستومن ترسناک لخودکن. مال بمال دگرن شکر و خرجانه ددن هف. هنده ببیجن. افن جم مجی هبو. لیاوان نتنه اوه. تبیروزباهی ججنا Pirebokan ده کندر د صورت روی مروون ترسناک ده تن قوارتن. او رونی کرن. Baloyen maskeyi ten darkhisten. سردانا مالên bi perî tê kirin. Cîhana Anglo-Sakson vê rojê wek Halloween bi nav dike. Îcar ya hecê çawa Qudsî bûn. Guneh, periyên keç û jinên spehîyên çîrokî û pîrhebok di heman mihricanê de li hev dicivin. û gundir çi eleqe. Okay, so we finished the first part. Now let's have a look at the second part. So here we have a question. Ka em li xwe vegerin. Let's back to ourselves. Okay, em li xwe vegerin. Dewsa Pirebokan li cem me çawaye. So the footprints of Pireboks with us, next to us, how is, so like in with Kurds in Kurdish tradition, how is the Pireboks? Okay, so we will read it. Gunde me, gundeki ase u bilinde, keleheke diroki leheye, u ya heri giring, tev şikefte. Jixwe wateya peyva zivingê bi xwe şikefte. Di zarokatiya xwe de min gelek behsa pîrebokan dibihîst. Mîna di şikeftan yan jî xirbehan de bûn. Dema dengê lêdana tenekeyekê mîne daholê ji dûr ve dihat, digotin daweta pîrebokan e. Carinan jî dihat gotin, yek di xirbehekî de li pîrebokekê serê xwe dişorast hatiye. Yekî yek girtiye, yek bi yekê re zewiciye û filan bêva. Pîrebok cin bûn. Yan ji cinan cuda bûn. Nayê bîra min. Lê di hişê min de wek jinên ciwan û delal û nîvtazî mane. Nizanim çima. Dibe tekîliya pîrebokan bi lernan Sideyê re hebe. Ew jî jina efsûnî ji cûreyê cinan eku dibe îlhama şairan. Mijara Pirebokan ne wekî cejn û mihricanê, ne di wekî cejn û mihrican, lê wek vegotin di nav me Kurdan de ciyekî xwe yê taybet heye. Gelek caran ji bo tirsandina zarokan hatiye bikaran. Let's have a look at vocabulary. So ase means stuck. Keleh is castle. Shikeft is cave. Khirbe, ruins. Ledan is to hit, to beat. Dahol is drum, ba 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 bum. Teneke is like a can, a tin. Tazi means naked. Ilham, inspiration. Jejn is holiday, feast. And Mihrijan is festival. Okay. So now we are reading about Pirabok in Kurdish tradition, in Kurdish in Kurdish life. Okay. So the writer says, Gundeme, our village, Gundeki Aseo Belinda. So our village is a high and stuck village. Like it's in mountains or between mountains, so it's hard to go outside of the village. Okay. Keleheke diroki lehaya. So there is a historic castle in it. So le means Luwe or Louis. Okay. The short form of le, we. Oops. Wait, this way is not very useful, not very fast. So le is Louis or Louis. Okay. Louis. Uya Haligring, the most important thing is Tev Shkefte. It's full of shkeft, full of caves. Tev Shkefte. Jhwe is like already Jhwe wateya peyva zvinge bkhwe shkefte. The meaning of the word of zving, it's cave. So Zving is the name of his village. Nave Gundewi Zvinge. Okay. The Zarokatiya Khoda in my childhood, min gelek behsa Pirebokan dibihist. I was hearing many things about Pirebok. Mina, like suggests, the Shkeftan yanji khirbehan dabun. Like they were, so Pireboks were in caves or in ruins. دما دنگê lêdana tenekeyekê mîna da holê ji dûr ve dihat, digotin daweta pîrhebokan e. When the voice, the sound of hitting a tin like a drum was coming from far, digotin, people used to say, daweta pîrhebokan e. It is wedding of witches. Daweta pîrhebokan e. Dema dengê lêdana tenekeyekê mîna da holê ji dûr ve dihat, digotin daweta pîrhebokan e. Caranan jî dihat gotin, and sometimes it was said, yek di xirbehekî de, so someone in a ruin li pîrhebokeke serê xwe dişorast hatiye, so came across a witch who is having a shower. Okay? Yekî yek girtiye, so one grabbed one, like a person grabbed a pîrhebok, or a pîrhebok grabbed another pîrhebok. So yek bi yekê re zewciye, so one got married with another one. U filan bêvan, and so on. Okay, filan bêvan, filan u bêvan. Pîrhebok jin bun. So which were so how do you say jinn in English? It's like jinn, it's like ghost, but not ghost, but it's jinn. Okay. So Pîrebok were jinn. Yan ji jinnan juda bun, or they were different from jinn. Naye Biraman, I don't remember. So this is the writer about his childhood. Okay. Naye Biraman, I don't remember. Pîrebok were jinn, or they were different. He's not sure. Le dihisheminde in my mind, wak jinen juan u delal u niftaziman. In my mind, they remained as young, beautiful, and half naked. Okay? I don't know why. Debe, like maybe, belki, debe, tekiliya Pirebokan, the relationship of Pireboks, blennan sidhey rahabe. There is like relationship between Pireboks and Lenan Sidhey. I don't know who is this. Auji, and she is Auji Jina Efsoni, the magical woman. Jijureye Jinaneku, it's a type of jinn which becomes an inspiration for poets. Okay, so this Lenan Sidhey, it's a type of jinn, which becomes inspiration for poets. Yes, poets. Mujara Pirebokan, the topic, the subject of which Nawaki Jeshn Umirjan, not like holidays and festivals, but like a saying, Wak Vegotin, the Navme Kurdande Chieki Hoye Taibet Haye. So Pireboks, the Mujara Pirebokan, the topic of which is not like a Jeshn or Mihrijan, not like a holiday and festival in among Kurds, but it's more like a saying, a story, not really story, but a saying. You are not sure if it is true or not, but it's a saying, right? So Wak Vegotin, the Navme Kurdande among us, among Kurds, it has a special place. Jiyeki Hoye Taibet Hayer. Pirebokan. Okay. Gelek Jaran, many times, Jibo Tirsandna Zarokan Hatiye Bkarani. So it's used to scare kids. So Pirebokan, Gelek Jaran, Jibo Tirsandna Zarokan Hatiye Bkarani. Okay. So Tirsandan, to scare someone. Tirsandan, let me edit here. Tirsandan, to scare. Array. So, but let me read it last time, so you will see what's going on. So, ka am lkhobagaran dawsa Pirebokan ljemme chawaye. Gundeme, gundeki ase u blinde. Keleheke diroki lehaya. U ya harigring ter shikafte. Jkhwe واتەیە پەیڤە زڤنگێ بخۆی شکەفتە. Di zarokatiya xwe de min gelek behsa pîrhebokan dibihîst. Mîna dişkeftan yan jî xirbehan debûn. Dema dengê lêdana tenekeyeke mîna daholê ji dûr ve dihat, digotin daweta pîrhebokan e. Carinan jî dihat gotin, yek di xirbehekî de li pîrhebokeke serê xwe dişo rast hatiye. Yekî yek girtiye, yek bi yekê re zewiciye û filan bêvan. Pîrhebok cin bûn yan ji cinan cuda bûn nayê bîra min. Li dihişê min de wek jinên ciwan û delal û nîvtazî mane. Nizanim çima. Dibe têkîliya pîrhebokan bilendên sîdheyê re hebe. Ew jî jina efsûnî ji cûreya cinanê ku dibe îlhama şaîr e. Mijara pîrebokan ne wekî cejn û mîhrican lê wek vegotin di nav me Kurdan de ciyekî xwe yê taybet heye. Gelek caran ji bo tirsandina zarokan hatiye bikaranîn. Erê, so me ev jî xwend, so we finished the second page as well, me rûpela duyan jî xwend. û rûpela sêseyan. So you remember the last sentence of the second part. Gelek caran ji bo tirsandina zarokan hatiye bikaranîn. So, like Pireboks, this topic is used to scare kids a lot. No, gure manco tiştekî din e. Gelekên me ji pîrikên xwe hecacok û daweta pîrebokan bihîstine. Bi wan hatine tirsandin ku zarokan direvînin. Çîroka ku dibêjin pîrebok zarokên çilrojî dikujin, mirov dibe mytholojiya Lilith e. Lilith, ew delala mar lê pêçayî. Li gor Talmuda Babilê, jina Adem ya yekem. Mytholojiya cihûyan dibêje ruhê xwe firotiye şeytên. Ger ew Lilith bûbe Leyla, wateya her du peyvan jî ya jî şevê ye, û li nav me jî ya bê qiblegeha işqê ye, şev e, şehwet e, şeytan e, siruşt bi xwe ye. Lê mirovan toqa xirabiyê xistiye stûyê wê. Serî ji otoriteyê re netewandiye. Bi şemal re razaye û zarokên ji wan hatine kuştin. Lewma ew jî hewl dide zarokên mirovan ên kur di 8 rojên pêşî de, yên keç jî di 20 rojên pêşî de bikuje. Jinên duxwazkan ên nû zarokanî ne jê tên parastin. Di destana Gilgamesh ya Sumeriyan de jî Lilith dibe xwedawenda şevan û bin erdê û digihe îştarê ku xwedawenda işq û arezûyê ye. Pir tişt xwe Lilithê digirin. Li ber rabûn, rev, şev, guneh, sterk, arezû û işq. Porê wê sora gulê ye. Peyvên wê nermiya rûn, lêvên wê hingivîn. Xuya ye li cem me Kurdan pîrebok nepîrejinin. Li hinek deveran keçên delal û porxelek şibandine pîrebokan. So here, these words I want to show you. So here, peyçan means to wrap. Peyçayi is a wrap adjective. Ruh or ruh is a soul. Qiblegah is qibla, like Mecca, like for Muslims, it is the true direction you need to go or you need to turn. Shahwat means desire. Toqa kharabiye khisten stüye keseki means to curse someone. Authority is authority. Seril tatatan tawandin, to bend your head in front of someone. Razan, to sleep with. Dukhaskan is postpartum, so a woman just gave birth. And Pirejin means old woman. So here we are seeing the historic part of some Pireboks and mythology. Okay. So the previous page said gelek jaran jibo tirsanna zarokan hatiye bakar. So like these Pireboks are used to look, they have been used, to scare kids, right? But it says no. Gure manjo is something else. Gure manjo tishtekidine. So gure manjo, it's a character from stories. It's a wolf, like manjo wolf. It's so old people used to use gure manjo in their stories to scare kids. Okay, so it says gure manjo tishtekidine. So gure manjo is something else. Geleken me, many of us, Pîrken xwe, ji pîrken xwe hecacok û daweta Pirebokan bihîstine. So many of us heard the hecacok and the weddings of Pireboks from their grandparents, from their grandmas. Bi wan hatine tirsandin. So the kids were scared by this, by hecacok, by daweta Pirebokan, because Hajajok and these Pirhabok are kidnapping the kids. Okay, so according to stories, according to grandma's stories, Hajajok and Pirhabok are kidnapping the kids. So that's what. So when a parent or grandparent wanted to say, so my son, my daughter, don't go there, it's dangerous, they say, oh, if you go there, Pirhabok, which will kidnap you. Okay. چیرۆکا ku dibêjin pîrhebok zarokên çilrojî dikujin, mirov dibe mytholojiya Lilith. So the story that says Pirebokan, which kill the 40 days old kids, babies. So this story takes a person to the Lilith, the mythology of Lilith. Okay. So there is a saying in Kurdish stories, like they say, Pireboks are killing the babies if they are 40 days old, so they are kidnapped. So this story, it reminds you the mythology of Lilith. Mirov debe takes someone, reminds someone. Okay? Lilith. Ew delala mar le pechai. So Lilith. That beauty, that beautiful girl who is wrapped in snakes, with snakes. Okay? So Mar is snake. Ligor Talmuda Babile, according to Talmuda Babile, Jina Adam ya Yekem. So according to Talmud of Babil, the first wife of Adam. Mythologia Jehuyan dibêje, so like the Jewish mythology says, Ruhe khwe frotiye shaitan. So she sold her soul to the shaitan, devil, right? Ger if ev Lilith, that Lilith became Layla. So Lilith Layla, because it says Wateya Hardu Peyvanji, the meaning of both words means from the night. So Layla and Lilith have the same meaning. So the writer says if Lilith became Layla, and if Lilith lived among us, she is Lilith or Layla is the Qibla of love, like the direction of love. Shava, it is night. Shahwata, she is the desire. She is the shaitan, evil. Surusht b'choya, she is the nature herself. So here it's very poetic because this writer, Najat Zanyar, he's also writing poems. Okay, so like Shava, it's night. Shahwata, it's the desire. Shaitana, Surusht b'choya, it's very romantic. This part is very romantic. Anyway, so it says le, but mrovan toqa khrabiye khristiye stuye we. So this is an expression to say to curse someone. So, but people cursed her. Okay? So, Serij autorite netawandi. She didn't bend her head in front of the authority. Okay? بشمال رازايا. She slept with شيطان بشمال. وزاروكن جوان هاتنا كشتن. So the kids from them were killed, have been killed. So Shaitan and Lilith had kids, but their kids were killed, have been killed. Lauma, that's why. أوجي حول the she is trying to زاروكن مروفان en kur the هشتروجن پیشیده ين كاتشي the bistrogen پیشیده بکره. So that's why, because her kids have been killed. That's why she is trying to kill the boys of people, of human being, in first hashtrosh 8 days, like in first week, and she's trying to kill the girls in the first 20 days. جنن دوخاسکان انو زاروکانینه جه te parastan. So the women, the postpartum, I don't know how to read this word, postpartum. So the woman, like the postpartum women, which are just gave birth, are defended, are saved, are kept far away from her. So it's believed that Lilith is killing the children, and also it's like she's harming. She's harming the woman, the postpartum woman. Okay. And the Dastana Gilgamesh, Sumerian, in the Gilgamesh epic of Sumerians, Lilith دبه خداوند شوان و بنهده. Lilith becomes the god of the goddess of the nights and the underground. O the Ghe Ishtar, and she reaches Ishtar, who is the goddess, the god of goddess of love and the desire. So many things goes to Lilith, something like this. Liberabun, like raising your head, Rev, escaping, nights, sin, stars, Arazu, like desire, and Ush, and love. Pore way, her hair, Sora Guleya. So her hair is the red of rose. Paven way, her words, Narmiya Run, the softness of the fat, the butter, something like this. Leven Hungvin, so her lips are honey. So this is very poetic because about Lilith, and I said this writer is a poet, so he loves to play with words, describing woman, love, desire, ashku, shahwatu, arazu. Khoyaya, it looks like Lejamma Kurdan, like with Kurds in Kurdish tradition, Pîrebokan Pirebokan, so which are not old women. Lehanek Davaran, in some places, Kachen Dalal u Porkhalek Shbandana Pîrebokan. So in many places, a beautiful and curly-haired girls are. How do we say this? Let me see. Shbandan. I don't know how to say it in English. It's something very easy, but just my mistake. I didn't check it before. Oops, 1 second. Shbandan. It's like to liken to. To liken to. So people thought Kachen Dalal are looks like Pirebokan, okay? Kachen Dalal u Porkhalek. So it was the third part. Let's go the fourth part. This is harder, but I will try my best. First, I will read it. The vegotinande Pirebokan bugishti likavilan dijin. Pore wan per u gijike. Ruye wan je huya nabe. پیسیرن وان تعزینه روی وان لعالیکی پیه وان لعالی دندنره پشتمالک رش یانجی سور گریددن سر و رازان جیه خزینه دزانن شبن زوستانه بیتر تین ناوا گندان دکوین آخور و کادینان سری نیسان زیدتر لبر چمانن تنه لگنده کوین و ین بشکفت جی جحسن و درزیان دترسن لهنك دوران تشتكي حسني دخن بن بالجهن بتكان جن درزيان دخن كوفيان خوا هجر مروفك بكاري درزيكي دبيسيرا وان راكي دكاري ببي خوديه وان او بخوا نكارن و درزيش جاني خوا هلكن انجخ دكارن زارو كان بخابينن و بوان بدن راكرن و آزاد ببن لسر روج و مهن وان ین پیروز جی وگوتن هنه چارشم و شمی جبو وان تایبتن مهن زوستانه مهن پیروزن گلک ناوین پیرهبوکن هنه مینا پیربوتک پیربوشک هجاجوک پیرهبوک جازو پیرهلک پیرسر و هر وکی دن قبلو یا لویس ریکاردو فاليرو یا سالا 1887 با آوایکی بالکش ریویتیا پیرهبوکان یا جبو جوینا شبات تصویر دکه لگور باوریان اف جوین سال جارکه دی سروکاتی شیطان ده نیوه شیوه پکته. So liturgy, and here we are learning more about Pireboks in Kurdish tradition. So how they look, what they are afraid of, etc. Okay. Dve gotinende in sayings, Pirebok begishti likavlan dejin. So in sayings which are mostly lives in the ruins, Porewan par o gujika. So their hair is too many, and gujik like is very curly, but gujik is not a nice way to say curly. Okay. Ruyewan je huya nabe. So their face is not visible because of hair. Like jouer because of it, because of that. Pesiren wan tazine. So pesir is the breast. Okay? So pesiren wan tazine. Their breast is naked. By the way, before I want to show you words. So here, Ahur is stable, Kadin is barn, Hassan is iron, Darzi is needle. Okay. So it says, Ruyewan la'aliyaki, their face is to one side, and Piyawan la'aliyaki dindinel. So here, I tell you something very funny. So P is in some regions it's feet, but in some regions it's like your shoulder, like arm, this part, okay? So I think here it's for this part. So P1 la'ali, Sare1 la'aliyaki, P1 la'aliyaki. So like their head is, it turns to one side, and their shoulder, or if it is feet, their feet is to one side. So it's like to a different side. Peshtamal rash yanji sor graded. Peshtamal is like kind of a scarf. So they tie a black or a red scarf. Sir u razan jiye khazineyan dezanen. They know the secrets and the place of treasures. Khazine is the treasure. Shavin zvistane betir te nava gundan. The Kevin Ahur Ukadina. So in the winter nights, they come more to the village, Navagundan, inside of the village. They enter stables and the barns. Sare Nisane, at the beginning of Nisan, at the beginning of April, they are more by rivers. Yeah, so in the April, you see them more by rivers. Tane Lugunde Kevin Uyen Bishkeftigen. They only live in the old village and villages with shkeft, with caves. جهسن ودرزيان دترسن. They are afraid of iron and needles. لهنك دبران in some places, in some regions, تشتكي حسني دخن بن بالجهن بتكا. So in some regions, to protect kids, تشتكي حسني something with iron, something metal. People put something metal under the baby's pillow because the beach Pireboks are afraid of Hassan, afraid of iron. Okay. Jinn درزيان دخن كوفين خوا. So jinn put needles into their coffees. So coffee is this one. So this is a coffee. Okay. Coffee. So this is coffee, since witches are afraid of needles, and people, to protect themselves, they put needles into their coffees, so they are protected. Hagar mrovek, if someone, if a people, a person, bukare can, darziyeke tpesira one rake can put a needle into their breast, into which breast, dkare bube khodiye one, can own them, can possess them. So if you see a witch and if you want to possess her, you need to put a needle into their breast. أو بخون نكارن ودرزية جيجانة خوهلكن. They, by themselves, cannot take out that needle from their John, from their soul. Okay? Anjach, the Karen Zaro can be, but they can cheat kids. Buwan bidden rocker, and they make kids to take out it. And they get free. لسان روج ومهن وانيين بيروزجي بقوتن هنا about their holy days and holy months. There are some sayings. Charsham وشمي جبوان طيبتن. Wednesday and Saturday are special for them. Mehen Zvistane, Mehen Pirozen. The winter months are holy months for them. It's very strange because today is Wednesday. Iro Charshava. Okay. Gelek Naven Pîrebokan Hana. There are many names for Pîrebok, like Pîrebot, Pîrebosh, Kajajok, Pîrhavok, Jazo, Pîrel, Pîreser, etc. It says Tabloya Luis Ricardo Falero. So this guy, it has a painting. I will check it. Luis Ricardo Falero. Is it this one? This one. Indeed. So it says Tabloya Luis Ricardo Falero ya Salah 1887. So he's painting from the year of 1887 in a Bawaiki Balkesh in an interesting way. Rewitia Pirebokan ya Jibo Jivina Shabate Taswir Deke. So it shows the trip of witches to the Shabbat meeting. Where is it? I found it, but now. Chocolao. I just found it and then lost it. And this one. This one. I will show you. The second. So this is this painting. So this is a painting called Pirebok Dichin Juvine. So Pireboks are going to a meeting, Shabbat meeting. Interesting. Ligor Bawerian, according to beliefs, Ligor Bawerian Arjvin, this meeting, Sale Jareke, once a year, the Serokatia Shaitenda Nive Shave Pekte. So it happens at midnight under leadership of Shaitan. Okay. So I will read the last part and we will finish because I really get tired. It's going to be 1 hour. Okay. Ijar چاوا کارل گوستاو یونگ گوتیه میتولوژی دراستی خود پسیکولوژیه دیار پیرهبوکان جیهانک افسونی دبن هشه مده آوا کرنه شرکی دجوار یه سردستی خودیبون و خدابونا تیده دقومه لعالیه کی لیلیتا وکه مار نرم و هرکبار لعالیه دن هیز و حسن و دستهلتر لهنك دوران تججنا بيرهبوكان ده گندين كرد جلن هجب لخدكن آگرکی پیدخن و لدور دلیزن جبو تمثيلا آويتنا قالب و رزداريا جواكي و لیستکا لدور داخواز و آرزوین سرشتی سرمونیه که بالکشه نزانم وین نویسا پرین دلال لیلیت لنن سید پیرهبوکن ما کردان مفستو و کندر تاو لبن گوه هفکتن چاوا بداوی بینم لیمن گوت بلکی دیریه کی ترسناک للیتراتورا کردی وکب و حو بلا کشه او قاسی نترسن ومن ناف كالجاني ده. So here is a list of the words. So أفسونة means magical. بنهش the subconscious. سردستی dominance. خديبون to own, to possess. خدابون to being God, godness. دسلتار authority. قالب is like form, pattern, bar. رزداری respectability. لبن جوهي هفكتن. It's a proverb, like to get muddled, to go topsy-turvy. I don't know how to read it. And Kasha is the priest. So Ijar. So Chawa Carl Gustav Jung Godier. So as like how Carl Gustav said, mythology drastia khode psychology. So mythology is the psychology. Diare. It looks like, so it's, yeah, it looks like Pîrebokan, the witch, Jihanaka Afsoni, a magical word, the Benhushemeda Ava Kurane. So Pîrebok's which created a magical word in our subconscious. Sharaki Dijwar Ye Sardesti, a difficult fight, a difficult war of dominance, of possessing, of being God, it's happening inside. So like in among all these like sayings, witch, Lilith, I don't know, the shaitan, etc. So it's a very hard war, very hard fight of dominance, of owning, of khadabun. It's happening in the qawme. لآلية in one side Lilith وكمار نرم وهركبار. In one side Lilith like a snake, soft and flowing. لآلية in another side power, haze, حسن, metal, iron. ودسفلتار, authority. لهناك دوران in some places the Cejna Pirebokan in Pirebok's feast in Halloween, Gundian Kurd, the Kurdish villagers, Julian Hajib لخودكن, they wear strange clothes. Agreki pedchen, they light up a fire. ولدوري دليزن, and they play around. جبو تمثيلا عاويتنا قالب to represent, in order to represent throwing patterns and the respectability of the society. Listika l'dor da'khwaz arzuyen surishte, like the play or the dance around wish and desires of natural. It's an interesting ceremony. Nizana, when we saw Parian Dalal, I don't know, these writing of beautiful fairies, Lilith, linen seed, witch of Kurds, Mephisto, and pumpkin, all got muddled. Libn gohe hefketen. Chawa badawi binam, how to finish it. Lemon good, but I said, I thought, بلكي, maybe, I may, دريكي ترسناك للتراتورا كردي ذكم أوها. I thought I may open a scary door to the Kurdish literature, and that's all. بلا كشا أو قاسي نترسن. Let priest don't be afraid that much, not too afraid that much. Buminen the naf kelejanida, stay in excitement. So we always say buminen the naf khoshida, buminen the naf khairida, buminen the naf tatatantida. So here buminen the naf kelejanida, stay, remain in the excitement. Okay. Oh, ezgeliki wastiyam. Oh la la. I've video but I think it was very interesting to read all about these witches, Lilith, Layla, Kundur, Shaitan, Nizagam. وقالك تشتندن, and you learned a lot. So if you have time, listen to it many times and read it by yourself, read out loud, or repeat after me what I said. So بمين عندنا بخير وخشية حتى فيديو يكدن دمعوا بمين خوش و خاطروا بقى بقى